Hey there, creative minds. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have got something special on the table. The Deco Mini 1 version 2 drawing tablet. Let's unbox now. First off, let's talk about the working area. At 10 into 6.5 inches, it strikes the perfect balance. Not too big, not too small. Ideal for all your creative endeavors. It's super sleek at only 8 mm thick, taking up minimal space on your desk. Compact and stylish, this tablet is a game changer for those tight on workspace. Weight is often a concern, but fear not. The Deco Mini 1 version 2 is impressively lightweight, making it portable and easy to carry around. Now, let's talk about customization. With 8 customizable buttons, you can tailor your workflow to match your preferences. Button mapping is a breeze with the help of their software, giving you a quick access to your favorite shortcuts. The surface is incredibly smooth, providing a seamless drawing experience. And here's a neat touch. A thin protective film adds just the right amount of friction for precise control. Now onto the star of the show, the pen. It's not just a tool, it's an extension of your creativity. With a lightweight design and a comfortable rubber grip, you can sketch for hours without fatigue. The best part, no battery is required. With 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity and 60 degrees of tilt support, this pen captures every nuance of your artistic expression. Whether you are shading or sketching, the Deco Mini 1 version 2 has you covered. Speaking of the pen, it comes with a stand, but let's be honest, it's not the most usable. However, the premium and angled cable add a touch of sophistication to your setup. And here's a fantastic bonus. The Deco Mini 1 version 2 comes with OTG adapters, allowing you to unleash your creativity on your phone or tablet, perfect for using with apps like Procreate or Clip Studio. In conclusion, the Deco Mini 1 version 2 is a powerhouse of creativity. Its sleek design, customizable features, and excellent pen performance make it a must-have for artists of all levels. If you are looking for a drawing tablet that delivers both style and substance, look no further. Thumbs up from me. Thanks for joining us on this review. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more awesome content, and let us know in the comments if you have tried the Deco Mini 1 version too. Until next time, keep creating and stay inspired. See you in the next video.